Instructions for teachers. My dear teachers, आज हमने किया इस बुक का आखिरी नंबर, the biggest number of this book, number 20. Scan the QR code, come onto this video and tell the formation of 20 to the kids and let them count different objects which I have shown them. आप उन्हें क्लास में डिफरेंट चीज़ें दे सकते हैं. You can give them marbles, you can give them small cars, you can give them blocks, even you can give them Play-Doh. They can make little balls with that and they can make 20 balls and count them. Counting can be practiced in a number of ways. Let them trace the number 20 and encourage them to write from 0 till 20 every day. With number 20, there is next page, and on that page we have two very interesting questions. Let's see what questions are these. The first question says, tick the group having 18 objects. Wow! They have to count these objects, और जिस group में 18 चीज़ें हैं, they have to tick only that group of objects. The next one is count the objects and match the correct number. Wow! They will do the counting again and they will match the objects with the numbers. जी, तो ये था हमारा एक्सरसाइज का पेज जो कि 20 के साथ रिलेटेड है.